Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Sri Adriani set. NIM 200,109,510,002. Prodi Pendidikan Geografi ICP. Lecturers Dr. Hasrianti MPD. The topic is coastal resources and the sea. What is sea and coast? Definition: coastal is the meeting area between land and sea, landward covering parts of the land, but dry and submerged in water, which are still influenced by sea characteristics such as tides, sea breezes, and sea pack of salt water, while towards the sea includes parts of the sea that are still affected by natural processes and occur on land such as sedimentation and freshwater flows, as well as those caused by human activities on land such as deforestation and pollution. Sugyarto 1976, Dahuri et al. 2001. The sea is a large salt water that is completely or partly surrounded by land. In a broader sense, sea is a system in interconnected saltwater oceanic water on Earth that are considered as one global ocean or as several major oceans. Ecosystem management of coastal land and sea area. Number 1. Coral reef. Impact: coral mining activities, habitat destruction, mass mortality of coral reef biota. Impact: disposal of waste heat activities, rising water temperatures. Impact: deforestation and etc. Guidelines for coral reef ecosystem management. Using alternative sources of lime construction material not from coral reefs. No directing upstreaming of coral reefs and or undertake measures such as sediment filtering. Avoid pollution and increase in nutrition into the coral reef ecosystem. Stop using explosive and toxic materials as fishing gear. Establish annual use quotas for coral materials and associated species. Promote and control tourist activities. Avoid waste disposal. Avoid change in temperature beyond the threshold. Monitor the development of coral reef condition. Public awareness about the importance of coral reef ecosystem and their sustainability. Carry out coral reef rehabilitation. Number 2. Mangrove forest activities, clear cutting, impact, changing the composition of the plants, making their function as a feeding ground and a nursery ground. Activities, diversion of freshwater flow. Impact, increased salinity of mangrove forests, the mindset of tolerant species and decreases forest fertility. Activities, land conservation. Impact, deterrence to regenerate stock pollution, salting, seawater intrusion, erosion, or abrasion. Activities liquid waste sway. Impact, decreased DO, increased H2S and NH3. Wastel disposal, closing pneumatophora and mangrove tree mortality. Oil pollution, total mangrove damage, mineral mining on land, excess sediment skills mangrove stress. Mangrove ecosystem management goodness. Maintain the base and character of the forest substrates and waterways. Maintain continuity of natural patterns, tide cycle activity seams, and freshwater runoff. The coastal structure must be designed to maintain the pattern. Maintain natural temporal and spatial pattern of surface and groundwater salinity. Maintain a natural balance between soil gain, erosion and sedimentation. Set a maximum limit for harvest to ensure the sustainability of the ecosystem in areas that are likely to be displaced by oil and other toxic materials. Prevention plans must be in place. Avoid all activities that cause the reduction in pond. Seagrass beds impact, drifting and dumping activities, total degradation of the seagrass bed habitat degradation at the dredging disposal site, secondary impact on the seeding waters, turbidity, benthic closure, liquid organic waste sewage, decreased DO, fertilization, eutrophiation, and phytoplankton blooming. Industrial waste, seagrass can concentrate heavy metals biology magnification so that it can poison gross consumer animals. Agricultural waste, pesticide pollution, and organic pollution.